Hi, this is Sherly Jayaseelan, a clinical psychologist. Currently, I am working as a success coach at NIAT Chennai. You'll be wondering what is the role of success coach, right? Let me explain. At NIAT, success coach is not just a role. It's like helping them, guiding them, walking through them to get success in their life. As success coach, we are not only adding value to their professional life as well as to their personal life. Yes, we nurture them with curiosity, resilience and adaptability. At NIAT, we strongly believe that the student's life, it's not about academics, it's also about discovering themselves. As a psychologist, I deeply value NIAT's motive on helping the students on both personal and professional life. Each and every moment which I have with the student, I cherish a lot because somehow I get a whole lot of satisfaction knowing that I am making a small but meaningful difference in their journey. Let me tell you about a small incident. A student struggled with their confidence in the initial stage of semester. Through consistency guidance, practice sessions and open conversation, that student is now leading the arts club in NIAT Chennai. Moments like this remind me why coaching matters. In this period, students need a space where they can express their fears, doubts and dreams freely. Myself and every student, we usually speak very casually that they won't feel like they are talking to an instructor. Many have told me that they see me as their friends. We at NIAT don't just prepare you for the jobs. We prepare you for the real world. We integrate industry expectations, soft skills and emotional growth. So when you step into the professional world, you don't just fit in, you stand out. Stay curious, keep learning and never underestimate the power of consistency. Success is not built on one day, so keep making effort. Every student has a story waiting to be written. And as success coaches, we are here to make sure it becomes a story worth telling.